know what burns my ass? Custom wheels. Yes, they look nice. Big tires, custom wheels, all these little fancy little nuts and everything like that. But unless the store tells you how to take this center cap off, it's all a guess. You don't know if the emblem pops off. You don't know if you take these nuts off or you take these nuts off. But if you look closely, these are fake. These are part of this. So you know how many times people snap that off and break them? Or how about these? In certain caps, especially the factory ones, these are fake. When you put a wrench in there or you put a tool in there and you snap them off. And then what? How do you explain that to the customer? But these, out of the 8, there are 2 of them that are real. Okay? And the good thing about this company is that the fake ones that they have here, they actually spin. So you happen to put your Allen in there and spin them, you're just going to spin them forever. So it's this one and this one over here. We'll remove them. Okay? And that will take this cap off. The other ones are fake. Alright, so after you spend your time trying not to break the customer's caps, that's what happens. Now, watch this. Let's go to the back. Remember, these are universal. One size fits all. And look at this. They come with these adapters. The purpose of the adapter is to adapt this big wheel to the tiny little hub. Look at this. Look at this space. This is even the wrong adapter. That's wrong. And this thing actually spins. If you're able to grab it, it actually spins like it's loose. Okay? So yeah. Custom wheels. They look nice. Look at it. Universal holes, so it fits other models. So you just pick the hole that fits. So if you don't remember, you're going to try to force it into one, when in reality it fits in the other one. Alright? That's what burns my ass. Custom wheels. Enjoy. Ciao. Oh, and I forgot about this. Don't forget, your socket just barely fits in here. Look, there's hardly any room. So if you have a problem with that lug nut, whether somebody stripped it or it's broken, you would have to destroy this wheel in order to get that nut off. I mean, you could probably drill it and break it on this way, but I'm just saying, look, there's no room for you to get that nut off. That's what burns my ass. Ciao. Enjoy that adapter.